I just went to the store to get some lettuce for the salad. Had plans to come in eat after kayaking and stuff, but I'm like, who's icing the car charger here at Donnell Ford in Salem, Ohio? And here it is, a Ford F-150 Lariat, electric. It's got dealer plates on it. No sticker in the window. I had to keep going back. I figured you'd like to see this, and there's the charger. I got room to pull in on this side or whatever, so. But yeah, I was like, what the hell? Who's icing it? And then I looked for an exhaust pipe, and there was none. Clean underside and everything. It's got skid plate on the front. Big vertical display. Like a big beefy gear shift too. I'm not sure why. 4 doors. Something. I've only had one pickup truck and it had 2 doors and a 6-foot bed, which was kind of cheesy back in the 80s. Well, look at this thing. Oh, it's got a little bit of mud somebody slung up in the inner fender wells. There's a lightning bolt. You got external plugs. Guess I'll see this later because I'm not bending down right now. There's the lightning. Is that awesome? There's your 5-button 10 number thing. They're not giving up on that. I wonder if it's got a charger port on each side, because there is this matching things on each side. I'm not going to touch it. I can't afford to pay for it. So we're not going to touch it. Isn't that something? Sure is beautiful. See, it's got a, I don't know. Like I said, we're not going to screw around with something that ain't mine. And then here's the comparison to the Leaf. Do a big walk around. I got to wash my car. It's a little too hot today. Well, here the two are together. So that's a big one. It's a Lariat, so it isn't the Pro. General tires. Wow. I don't know what sizes are. Holy mackerel. Well, there she is. Wow. And then here's the little guy. The truck's still smaller than the van I traded in on the my Nissan Leaf. Yeah, like I said, we used a 4-door 8-foot bed trucks on the railroad a long time ago. It's so nice. Huh. Sure you'd like to see that. Keep stepping back. This dealership's been open, this building, just over 50 years. Let's see if we can get them this way together. Move on back. Well, it was worth the trip just for that. I got my return climate set when I went to the grocery store. And it runs every day. I've got, you can see it leaking water underneath my car there. But every day I've got it set for around noon. So I've only used it once or twice a week. But every day it cools off my car. So I'm getting 4.9 miles kilowatt hour the last week. And it's using AC, and then their return climate thing running at least 20 minutes a day, plus when I go other times outside that noon bracket like now. So figure you had to see that. That's the Lariat Ford electric truck. That's pretty impressive. I really enjoyed it. That's that one I would ride in that one. All right, you guys take care.